forgot to video this before I took it off. The original booster bolted on here. Of course, that's the original booster. And so that's been removed. It wasn't working. So this is what the kit came with. I thought I would show the bracket I didn't use. This one, it just didn't seem like it fit my situation. Vacuum source if you don't have one. These are fittings, and the thing I read about it said it used bubble flares. Not double flares, but bubble flares. And if you look at the insides in here, these do not look like the usual inverted double flares. It's a different bottom on it. It looks to me like it is for a bubble flare. And these fittings that they gave fit these holes, and they're the long ones. And so if you make a bubble flare, you know, put it through this tube, you would be able to use it in here. So that's the plan. I have it physically mounted in the car now, and this is just to show what I did for brackets. So I attach it at the 3 points that it has available. It doesn't quite sit perfectly straight up and down, but plenty close enough. As long as the air can bleed out the top, it's really all that's going to matter on it. So that's the mounting. I'm waiting for a couple parts. The remaining thing to be hooked up is the master cylinder, which will be hooked up to here. And then the output down here will be hooked up to this end, which now goes to the master cylinder. So it'll come off of here, and I'll just move it back over here, which is how it was when it was on the original booster that I tested. Before I completely mounted it, I put a camera under the hood, and I closed the hood slowly and carefully, you know, with the camera recording, so I could see if this was going to clear. It looks like it clears. Didn't look like it was hitting it any, so it's about pretty much the same level as the original booster was.